Some Missouri lawmakers want child abuse victims to have more time to take legal action against their abusers.
But those efforts would come with a trade-off. In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox News' Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy why other victims would have less time to take legal action.
Andrea, we've talked about this before, giving victims of child abuse more time to take legal action. I guess, what's the law in Missouri and what's the effort to change it here?
So Missouri, yes, has taken an important step forward in supporting survivors of childhood sexual abuse. The Missouri House recently approved a measure to extend the civil statute of limitations, allowing them to the age of 41 instead of the age of 31 to file a lawsuit. Proponents of this bill say that Missouri is currently one of the worst states in the country when it comes to providing justice for these victims. According to Child USA, Missouri is one of just 18 states with the age cap of 34 or younger. So extending the statute of limitations would be a critical first step in giving further protection to child sex abuse victims.
And why do some people believe that extra time is needed?
So we know, and it's well documented, and it's been well documented for decades now, that there are all kind of reasons that it often takes decades for victims to come forward, including psychological and emotional barriers like PTSD and suppressed memories, fear of retaliation or shame, or even just a lack of understanding of what their rights are when they're younger and really not understanding the impact of their abuse until they're older.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but this effort has been attached to a bill that would do, something different. It would reduce the amount of time for victims of personal injury to bring lawsuits.
Yeah, so bootstrapped to it is the statute of limitations shortening from 5 years to 2 years for personal injury actions. Critics of that bootstrapping say that really it's overshadowing the very important need and step to protect child sex abuse victims by wrapping up this other bill, which is quite controversial with it. So proponents are saying it should just be the Child Sex Abuse Act that should go forward.
A lot happening in Jefferson City. Andrea McNairy from Brown and Crouppen, we appreciate you keeping us up to date. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.